This Ranch Choice 50 milliliter livestock syringe set gives you two semi-automatic guns, so you can keep one as a backup or dedicate each to different medications on busy working days. The adjustable dosing system lets you click through clear volume settings in 1 milliliter steps, making it easy to deliver consistent injections without constantly checking the barrel markings. Its continuous repeating action means you can work through a group of animals quickly, pressing the handle for each shot instead of refilling after every single dose. The textured anti-slip handle feels secure even with wet or gloved hands, which really helps maintain control when animals are moving around in the chute. A universal luer lock connection allows the syringe to pair with most standard needles, so you are not locked into one proprietary style when restocking supplies. The sturdy, easy-to-disassemble build, along with extra seals and included maintenance oil, supports long-term use and straightforward cleaning between treatments.